Welcome back to CAD Mafia. Today we are going to learn a simple flange pipe design in SolidWorks as per 2D drawing. I will say as per the pictures. This is the isometric view of this object, and this is the top view, and this is the front view of this object, and this is the front face, and this is the top face, and this is the section view. If we cut this portions, we can see this section view. Let's start. Select new, choose part and click OK. First change some setting, go to apply scene, plain white, go to option, select document properties and select image and drag it to high and click OK to get best image quality. Now first you can see here this pipe inner arc radius is 260 mm, and from this face to here distance is 150 mm. Also this is 150 mm. Let's select right plane, click on sketch. Now activate line command and draw a line from here to here, drag the cursor to here and reverse it again and drag it so it convert into curve. Now here and draw another line here, right click, select this point, make it tangent. Also select this point and make it tangent. As this both are 150 mm, let's press Ctrl and select this two line and make it equal relation. Now give dimensions. This is 150 mm and this arc radius is 260 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch, go to Extruded Boss. Now select circular profile, and the path is already selected, and this diameter you can see here, this pipe outer diameter is 290 mm. So this is 290 mm. You see, this is the outer shape of this pipe, and this inner hole diameter you can see here 210 mm. So this pipe thickness is 40 mm each side. We go to thin features and this is 40 mm and click reverse direction and click OK. Now see, this portions is ready. Now you can check this dimensions as per this sections view. Is it okay or not? Let's go to sections view and click on right plane and click OK. Now go to right plane and click on normal to. Okay. Now go to evaluate and click on measure. Now select this outer line and you can see this is 290 mm as per this design. This is the outer diameter of this pipe. And again select these two inner lines and see this is 210 mm as per this design. So our design is correct as per this 2D drawing. Deactivate section view. Now we have to make this flange portions. So select this face, click on sketch. Okay. Now here you can see this is 360 mm and 360 mm. Both this is a square. So select center rectangle and select the center point and drag it. Okay. Give dimensions. This is 360 mm and also this is 360 mm as this is a square. Now exit the sketch, go to Extruded Boss, and here you can see this thickness is 50 mm. Okay. Now this is 50 mm and go to reverse directions. If we now go to Here we have to selected contours, and now select this face and see, and click OK. At this top face we have to make similar portions, similar flange. Okay, select this face and click on sketch. Again activate center rectangle and draw a rectangle here. As this is a square, this is also a 360 mm sides. Let's select these two lines and make it equal relation. Now give dimension. This is 360 mm. Now exit the sketch, go to features and Extruded Boss, opposite directions, and thickness already taken 50 mm. Now go to selected contours and now select this face and click OK. See, this portion is ready. Now here you can see this corner fillet radius is 20 mm. Okay, now go to fillet and change dimensions. This is 20 mm, and now select this corner. Now you can see few options here. Now select first option, connected to the start loop. Click here. Now see, already automatically take the 3 edges. Click OK. Again go to fillet and select this edge and select this first options. Okay, and click OK. Also this portion is ready. Now we have to make some holes here, which dimensions you can find here. This is a 30 mm through holes, and the seaboard diameter is 60 mm and 10 mm depth. 60 mm seaboard diameter and 10 mm depth. Now go to hole wizard, select hole wizard. Now click on legacy hole and type this is seaboard drill, and here we have to change some value. Okay, first options diameter is 30 mm. Double click here and change the value 30 mm. And now the seaboard diameter, this is 60 mm. Let's double click here. This is 60 mm. Okay, and the seaboard depth is 10 mm. Okay, and end condition is up to next. And now go to position, select this face and click here, and now give dimensions. Here you can see this from this edge to holes center distance is 50 mm, and also this is 50 mm. Let's define it. This is 50 mm, and also from here to this center distance is 50 mm. Okay, click OK and click OK. See, this hole is created. Now here you can see there is four holes. Now go to circular pattern and first click here and select this inner face and state 60 degree, quantity 4, and features to pattern, select this holes. So it automatically take 4 quantity. Okay, and click OK. And see, 4 holes are created here. Same holes we have to make the on this face. Again select hole wizard, go to legacy hole, seaboard drill, and all the value are same as per the previous. Let's go to position, select this face. Okay, select here and give dimensions and dimensions also are same, both are 50 mm vertically and horizontally distance. See, both are 50 mm, you can see. Now click OK. OK, holes is created. Now we have to, here you can see this center hole distance is 260 mm, both sides horizontally and vertically. Now we can go to linear pattern, and first direction select this edge, and distance is 260 mm, quantity 2, and second direction is this edge and distance 260 mm and quantity 2. Features to pattern this holes. I have to change to the directions, sorry, not this direction, this directions. Okay, and click OK. Now here you can see holes are created. Design is almost ready. Now here you can see a chamfer here, which dimensions 10 mm into 45 degree angle. Go to chamfer. First select this edge and this edge, and the dimensions are same for 10 mm and 45 degree, and click OK. See, now the design is fully ready as per this 2D drawing. Now activate some options. Okay, now change some appearance. Go to metal, select steel and select cast stainless steel and drag it here. Okay, now go to display manager and right click here and select edit appearance and change some color. See, and click OK. See, now the design looks so realistic. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our channel to get more updates.